soon is huge.
Kinong yalam ka BJP bat ki kertong ki bakwa banya kun ha ka election kilas dang ya ka jing Pynkhreh nadu tenrai na ka Bynta ka election GHADC banwan da ka batmu ban penbha ya ka rukom terai kam jong ka seng ha Meghalaya watla ka jing bamla ban le bha ha ka election baladep unong yalam ka BJP uba Ilekshon udang don ka jing kermen ban job khambon ki seat ha ka ni ka kenti ula penskem ba ka seng kala don lupa katu ka ni ki MDC ha GHADC bat Bynta kan penlet jingmut ha ka ba penklan ya ka nongrim jongka ka BJP kala penbet thamai ru ya ki nongket kam kumshi Bynta ban Pynkhreh ya ka election sha ka yeng dor bar thau an jong usnam arja arpopra.
But we say that we have not win the election, or anyone has not win the election, so I don't agree with you. But still we need to strengthen more further to ensure that they get more MDC candidate, not MDC candidate, the winning candidate from the government's autonomous district also. See, all the political parties, not only BJP, every terms they are renewing the office bearers. So all office bearers from the past, today and tomorrow also, they are the same, they having same energy to work, to strengthen the party organization.
Kumshi Bynta jong ka jing batha